In this video, I will tell you how can you make this type of professional portfolio website in just 5 minutes. So let's go to the video. Assalamu alaikum, my name is Hamad and I am from techdigitalize.com. So let's go to the step number 1. So if you need a portfolio website, so first of all you need one domain and number 2 hosting. So here is my domain. I purchased it from namecheap.com. Here is my domain hamadfarouk.com. So first of all, you need to connect domain to your hosting. I am using Hostinger hosting. This is the one of the best hosting if you are a beginner and want to start your blogging career. This is the best hosting. So here, this is the H panel of the Hostinger. There is no cPanel on Hostinger. There is a H panel. So if you want to purchase a Hostinger hosting, by the way, it is very cheap. So if you want to purchase Hostinger hosting, you can purchase from hostinger.com. I will give you link in description. You will get more discount. Then you need to connect your domain to your hosting. For this you need to go to the hosting panel and go to the details. Then copy the name servers. These are the name servers and you need to paste into the Namecheap and here open domain setting, paste your name servers here. So I am pasting it and copy them second DNS and also paste it here. So when you paste it, then click OK. So in this case, I will already connected my domain to the hosting. When you connect it, then you will get this error page. It's because you don't install anything on your website. So step number 2, install WordPress on your website. So I am using my own domain hamadfarouk.com. So go to the hostinger and go to the dashboard and here you find website auto installer. Go to auto installer in hostinger and here you select WordPress. Here is the my domain and here is the username. You can create any username, so I am creating tech. So here is your email. So I am pasting my email and here is your administrator password. So I am generating any random password and copy this password and paste it on your notepad for later use. Then here is the option of database and also you have the option of latest version. Always update to the latest version. Okay, it will be best for you. And then click on install. Oh sorry, website title like Hamad Farouk. So let's go to install. It will take around 1 to 2 minutes and your WordPress will be installed on your website. So now your WordPress will be installed. If you want to go to your website WordPress admin page, then put slash against your domain and type wp admin. So here is your dashboard. Now put your username. In this case I am using tag digitize and password. I will copy password and go to the WordPress and log. So now you log in into the WordPress dashboard. So to make a portfolio website, go to the step number 3. Go to appearance and go to the themes. In themes, you will need to add a new theme. Select on add a new theme and Neve in the search bar. Once you select Neve, you will find it Neve theme and install Neve theme. Once I install it, let me show you. I have some internet connection problem. So once your new theme installed, go to activate it. Now your new theme is activating. Congratulations, your theme is installed. Now you need to try one of our starter sites. Let's go to this option. Install a plugin. I will install and activate it. Let's wait some time and here your plugin installed. So here you can find your portfolio website. You can use the pre-made websites you can use. So in this case I am using this theme, freelancer theme. So click on import entire site. So now check, our website will be importing and our current website is this website, and now your website will be imported successfully, and this is our old website, and let's check, and here is our new complete website easily, and here is all pages, portfolio page is successfully created and it is very professional. Now go to the step number 4. In step number 4, you will need to edit your website and paste your name and your details here and everything. So how can you do it? You can do it by Elementor. Just click on edit with Elementor. Elementor is loading. It's a very great plugin for WordPress websites, so you can easily drag and drop your website and manage your website. So here you can easily change your name and details, and you can customize anything you want. You can remove anything from your page and add and edit any single thing of your website with this Elementor plugin. So the step number 5 is how to build your portfolio. Let's go to the your portfolio section of your website, and here you can add your portfolio. So to make your professional portfolio, go to edit with Elementor, and here go to the Elementor, and here are the portfolio option. You can easily drag and drop here. By the way, it's Elementor free, so you can add it manually, but I will give you Elementor Pro for free if you like video and subscribe to our channel, and I will provide you an email in the description. Contact me through this email and I will give you Elementor Pro plugin for free. From Pro plugin, you can use all these features easily. You can just drag and drop forms, galleries, login details, everything you need to create a professional website. So in this way, you can create a professional website like this. So if you like the video, subscribe to our channel and like the video. Also visit techdigitize.com, our website, and I will see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.